how to download and install Visual C++ in Windows 10 or Windows 11. It's a pretty short and easy process. Just go to your browser and search download Microsoft Visual C++. Select the first link that is appearing from Microsoft and open up the link. And here you can see there are different links for downloading Visual Studio. If your system is 64-bit, you can download the third one. If your system is 32-bit, just go for the middle one or the second one. Since I have 64-bit system, I'm selecting the last one. It's downloaded, and after clicking on the .exe file, now you will be able to install the Microsoft Visual C. Click to agree the license terms and condition, and the Microsoft Visual C will be installed on your PC. So this is how you download and install Microsoft Visual C in Windows 10 or Windows 11.